Good morning, adventure seekers. It's April 3rd. Pioneer Park action. Checking out the wind from last night. Checking what it did to this tree. Now that is something you would not want to be under when it went down. Half this way, half that way. Right. Wind was kicking up. Did the job on this tree. Alright, stay tuned. Cool. Need a haircut. Big time. Wow, look at that haircut on you. What are you thinking, little buddy? What are you thinking? Huh? What do you think? Oh, you're a good looking one. You're good looking. Right. Pioneer Park. Sheep. Pioneer Park. Sheep are out and about. Pretty cool. He's got the Rasta haircut. Come here. Come here. Come on. Burrow time. Pioneer Park burrows. Come on, Burrow. Get over here. Come on. You can do it. You can get over there. I guess what you do with me, huh? Oh no, adventure seekers! Look what fell out of the palm tree. A crazy windy day. This is not good. How do you... Is it a rat? Is it a squirrel? Is it a gopher? I don't know. It's still alive. We need to figure out a way to save it somehow. Okay, stay tuned, adventure seekers. See if we can save this little rat or squirrel or gopher or whatever it may be. It's too cute. Try to help.